Welcome to today's English shadowing practice. Listen carefully and repeat each sentence right after me to improve your pronunciation and natural rhythm. Let's get started. Excuse me, could you help me for a moment? Excuse me, could you help me for a moment? I think I am completely lost. I think I am completely lost. Where is the nearest subway station? Where is the nearest subway station? Is there a public restroom around here? Is there a public restroom around here? How do I get to the Central Library? How do I get to the Central Library? Can you show me on this map? Can you show me on this map? Is it within walking distance from here? Is it within walking distance from here? It is just a 5-minute walk. It is just a 5-minute walk. You need to go straight down this street. You need to go straight down this street. Turn left at the next traffic light. Turn left at the next traffic light. You will see a large blue building. You will see a large blue building. The museum is right across from the park. The museum is right across from the park. Should I take a bus or walk? Should I take a bus or walk? Taking a taxi might be much faster. Taking a taxi might be much faster. How far is the Modern Art Gallery? How far is the Modern Art Gallery? It is about 2 blocks away. It is about 2 blocks away. Keep walking until you reach the corner. Keep walking until you reach the corner. You cannot miss the giant clock tower. You cannot miss the giant clock tower. Is this the correct way to the mall? Is this the correct way to the mall? No, you are heading in the wrong direction. No, you are heading in the wrong direction. You need to turn around and go back. You need to turn around and go back. Go past the supermarket and turn right. Go past the supermarket and turn right. Is the train station near the post office? Is the train station near the post office? Yes, it is right next to it. Yes, it is right next to it. Thank you so much for your kind help. Thank you so much for your kind help. No problem. Have a wonderful day in town. No problem. Have a wonderful day in town. Excuse me, is this the bus stop for downtown? Excuse me, is this the bus stop for downtown? Yes, the express bus stops here every hour. Yes, the express bus stops here every hour. Which exit should I take for Broadway? Which exit should I take for Broadway? Take the second exit on your right. Take the second exit on your right. Is there a good coffee shop nearby? Is there a good coffee shop nearby? There is a great cafe just around the corner. There is a great cafe just around the corner. Can I walk there through the park? Can I walk there through the park? Yes, the path leads straight to it. Yes, the path leads straight to it. I am looking for the tourist information center. I am looking for the tourist information center. It is located inside the main train station. It is located inside the main train station. Is it safe to walk there at night? Is it safe to walk there at night? Yes, this neighborhood is very well lit. Yes, this neighborhood is very well lit. Do I need to cross the main bridge? Do I need to cross the main bridge? Yes, cross the bridge and look left. Yes, cross the bridge and look left. Is the historic castle open to visitors today? Is the historic castle open to visitors today? I believe it closes at 5 o'clock. I believe it closes at 5 o'clock. How much is the bus fare to the beach? How much is the bus fare to the beach? It costs about $2 per person. It costs about $2 per person. Can I pay with a credit card? Can I pay with a credit card? Most buses only accept cash or transit cards. Most buses only accept cash or transit cards. Where can I buy a city transit pass? Where can I buy a city transit pass? You can purchase one at the ticket machine. You can purchase one at the ticket machine. Thank you. I appreciate your directions. Thank you. I appreciate your directions. Enjoy your stay in our beautiful city. Enjoy your stay in our beautiful city. Great job today. Regular shadowing is the fastest way to build confidence. Subscribe for more daily speaking practice, and see you next time.